Hey guys, are you looking drone for less than $100? In this video I will show you top 5 best drone for less than $100 to buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products you can check out the links down in the description. Also make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Brand name, JJRC, model number, H111, front camera built-in HD dual camera. Surprisingly, it can capture amazing pictures and videos from the sky. With the Wi-Fi function, you can connect applications and APK systems to take photos, capture video and real-time transmission through mobile camera images. The body battery adopts modular design, with large capacity lithium battery for durability. 360 degrees roll can be achieved with one key, and the cool stunts make the aircraft show its skills. Light remote control, mobile phone rack, integrated storage of aircraft, air pressure fixed height, headless mode, optical flow positioning and real-time image transmission. The 3-dimension classic folding is adopted, and the hand feel is just right and easy to master. Number 4. Brand name, KBDFA, model number, LU200. The LU200 takes flight safety to the next level with its intelligent obstacle avoidance function. Activating this feature allows the drone to autonomously navigate around obstacles, ensuring a smooth and accident-free flight. Our mini drone is a foldable design, make this quadcopter drone small, you can take it anywhere you like. And comes with a handy carry case, can easy to take out to have fun with your family when going outside. Equipped with an HD camera lens, the LU200 captures clear and amazing pictures and videos from the skies. Record your adventures in high definition and relive the moments with unparalleled clarity. You can enjoy up to 26 minutes of flight time in total with 2 batteries. Upgraded charging cable uses imported chips for overvoltage protection to prevent accidents caused by incorrect charging. Number 3. Brand name, Lenovo, model number, KY102, equipped with infrared sensors in all directions. This drone ensures a safe by detecting and avoiding obstacles in real time. The 4K HD lens supports manual adjustment of shooting angles up to 90 degrees, delivering excellent image quality and capturing stunning footage effortlessly. Perform breathtaking aerial stunts with just a press of a button on the remote control, showcasing impressive 360-degree flips that are sure to dazzle and captivate. Easily snap photos or record videos by simply gesturing towards the camera. Draw a flight path on the screen, the drone will fly autonomously along the specified path. Select a building or location and click it on the map of app. The drone could continue to fly clockwise around this specific building or location, presenting a comprehensive image. Number 2. Brand name, Zhan, model number, L900. This drone can be controlled by a remote controller and smartphone app. You can set it up automatically follow you and to automatically follow the GPS track you have set up. It also has a return home function if the battery is low or if it's out of range. It has a front camera for photo and video. The quadcopter fuselage is made of high strength and resistant engineering plastics, lightweight and durable resistance. The drone will automatically follows and captures you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times. Easier to get complex shots, provides hands-free flying and selfie. The remote controller can move the drone up and down. Adjust the speed, adjust the camera and puts the GPS on and off. The app is mainly used to view and control the drone camera and its functions. You can set up on the app that the drone uses a waypoint and multi-point. The L900 brings a simple and intuitive operating experience, making flying easier. There is more flight teaching which is convenient for you to master flying skills more quickly. Number 1. Brand name, Lenovo, model number, P15. This drone comes with a carrying case, and the foldable fuselage design allows it easy to store and more portable for outdoor traveling, weight under 250 grams. The mini drone is designed to be compact and easily transportable. Its small size allows for convenient storage and transportation, making it ideal for outdoor adventures or travel. The mini drone often incorporates advanced stabilization technology, such as a 3-axis gimbal or electronic image stabilization. These features help to minimize camera shake and vibrations, resulting in smooth and stable footage even during flight maneuvers. The drone offers various intelligent flight modes that enhance your aerial photography experience. The altitude fixing function has the altitude fixing mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function is stable in flight.